So these are off PCB questions.
Okay,
So not necessarily related to PCBs.
Or electronics, yeah.
Or electronics, but they always come back to it. But what's your hobby or passion of yours outside of engineering that people may not know about?
Well, so when I am not working on EMC, PCB, or anything related to electrons, so I am into photography or cycling.
Oh, that's great.
Wonderful.
That's where I spend my days.
That's good. That's a good hobby. And if you could have dinner with any DesignCon speaker, who would it be and why? That's very PCB.
That's very PCB. Yeah, I see. So I will say that it will be Eric Bogatin, who is the star and the reference on signal integrity.
Who, Eric Bogatin?
Eric Bogatin, and because he has a special ability to make complex things look very easy, and I would love to learn more in
Have you met Rick Hartley?
Sorry?
Rick Hartley.
Also, that will be a second option, but I need to choose one.
2 lunches. Second would be Rick Hartley. It's cute.
Naturally, Eric Bogatin. Definitely far more flirty.
Okay, so and then what's a piece of advice or life lesson you've carried with you throughout your career?
That's a hard one. Because not hard, but yeah.
Basically, like I think that's a good question.
Yeah.
It's like, how do you see yourself in your professional career? Like, what's important to you in your professional career?
So yeah, I can say that. So one thing that had helped me a lot. So in my consultancy work and also in my current role where I need to interact with a lot of people, is be easy to work with. So be easy, be reachable, be easy to talk to people, be close to people. And that helped me a lot to connect with people that 5 years ago I will never imagine. So, and I think that it's being very useful for me today.
Oh, wonderful. Thank you.